What is good, everybody? Tunji again from Ceasar Graphix. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to turn your face mask to the mouth of an animal. So without any further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop my image now, and I'll zoom in and select the pen tool. So we need to crop out the face mask from the face of our character. So I'm going to do that right away with my pen tool. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to drag and drop the mouth of our animal. So I'm going to drag that and drop here, and I'll zoom out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to position this to be at the center of my part. All right, so I'm going to scale that to be up to this size, and I'm going to hit the enter key on my keyboard. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to hold down Control and hit enter on my keyboard to convert my part to a marquee. And I'm going to select the layer mask icon here. Now make sure you are on the lion's mouth layer. All right, so I'm going to follow this lion's mouth. Then I'm going to add a layer mask to this. Now you see we have this. So the next thing I'm going to do again is to hold down Control and click to create a marquee of the face mask, and I'm going to hit the Control J on my keyboard to make a copy of the mask, and I'll position this to be above the layer of the lion's mouth. Now we need to convert this to black and white because we need the shadow from the face mask. So I'm going to hold down Control Shift and U to desaturate the face mask, and I'll change my blend mode to multiply. Okay, now you see, so the shadow on our face mask is not strong, so we need to make that more stronger. So to do that, I'm going to hold Control L on my keyboard to bring out the levels. I'm going to move this in. Now you see we're beginning to see the shadow on our face mask now, and I'll move this about this point, and I'll move this here, and I'm going to click on the OK button. All right, and we have this. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. So if you have not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my tutorials. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Peace.